something cool!
Hi, I'm Logan and welcome to Definitely Not Mechanics. This is a piece of shit S10 shit box that I got for nothing damn near. We're gonna be putting some big fuckboy chrome wheels on it, 20s, and run it on shop air until we can do burnouts.
So, Trey just got this today. It's pretty sweet. It's on air ride already,
Low
but
miles.
like, it's got low miles. It's 129,000. The hood and the fender's messed up, but everything else is pretty clean, other than the plastic that covers it. What do you need one for? This is literally. Ooh, try from the other side.
On the other side. I don't want to be the one to do this. The windshield's busted. How can you bust it more? Now put it right here. Put it right here.
Don't ask that question.
Ooh, yeah, daddy. You know what you do with parts that are kind of like fucked up? Let me take that fender off.
Hey, do you want to do an advertisement for the puppies to give them away?
I don't know what to say.
Today's video is brought to you in part by these fucking puppies.
Yeah,
Somebody please take one.
Somebody.
We need more sponsorships. Use promo code THEMDAMNBOYS for free.
Bernie Cinders 2020
Oh, look at this
shirts
dog though.
will be available.
Oh. How cute are you, dude?
He's the dad.
He's the dad?
To
The brown dog.
It's like fucking elephant, right?
Dude, give me some bumps, bro.
Yeah, should I
Them
put him
BBWs, huh?
on? Oh my god.
You getting paid for said?
You don't have enough puppies for that?
Yo, tell me why they got new upper ball joints,
Oh, let's take a look.
poly bushings,
Poly bushings.
shocks.
What? Ride tag? Dude, I think the person that owned this before actually cared about it.
Yeah,
This was probably
just a
nice
little
at one time.
Yeah, exactly.
So what all are we actually doing here?
I'm just gonna figure out what I need for the air ride, figure out what I need for the AC, get the fender fixed, get a hood on it, put the nice big wheels on it, yee wheels, and so forth.
How much more of this you got to go, dude?
Like 2 days.
You've been working on this fender for like an hour now.
I'm working on your mom for like 2 hours now. Alright, ready? Good?
Yeah. Hey, what else you got back here?
Got a hood, another fender,
2 doors.
2 doors, a tailgate, a front core support with headlights in it.
That's
and
the one you
front-
need too,
and
right?
the front bumper. I think that is the core support I need. But I have to get a drill for it and shit. And then I got a full set of rally stewies. Some spares for whenever somebody has a flat.
C10
A
hood.
C10 hood if anybody wants it.
Stories.
Yeah, exactly. Okay.
I've been back.
Here, pull it out.
Oh god. Mm-hmm.
Boom!
Do my own sound effects to the video.
Fuck those copyrighted songs. It's the bent one.
It's a good one to have on the front.
Yeah? That was a joke, wasn't
Yeah.
it? Okay, yeah, I should tell me. Take this with everyone.
That one's bent too.
Just
I'm
not
just
as much.
kidding. I was just kidding too.
Oh,
Was it really bent?
I don't know.
Hell yeah.
Doesn't look like it. No.
Oh, that's fucking perfect, dude. You couldn't ask for a better fit. Oh yeah, that's so flossy.
It's starting to fall. I think I'm actually gonna put every one of these screws right back where they go on this, at least not the fender, but the grill.
What do you mean? There's fender bolts right here.
It's fine. They're not going back in
Ever?
ever. Where was he? I was right there. Pick it up a little bit. Up more. Pick it up some more. Right. A little bit more. Drop it down slowly. Yeah, that's hinge as fuck. Ah, pick it up.
I don't know about all that, man. I'm about to watch it break.
Drop it down.
Okay.
Alright. Yeah. Flex
Pick it
the
up a
shit
little
out of the hood.
Alright.
My heart just kind of.
Fucking mint.
I mean,
Between there?
That's close. Yeah, but.
Maybe for good.
it isn't open.
I think you pulled the.
Push down on it. Not to push down, like full weight. Some real weight right here. Oh, hey.
Bent that up pretty good, huh?
I mean, I didn't do it. It was already like that, but
You bent that up pretty good, huh?
yeah.
Wrong way.
What's that? Ooh.
Just break it.
Oh.
Perfectly tightened.
He got your ass.
It's okay. I'm honestly used to anything that y'all can say.
This man is in here with a angle grinder, cutting out the hole for his double dent in his dash. How's it going in there, Trey? What?
It's not gonna work.
Why not?
Completely shattered it.
What?
Yeah, okay, plastic's brittle.
Where's it at?
It's half of it's right there.
No!
As you can.
Oof.
Yeah, he's shooting video. I don't want to break it.
Yeah. So, we got everything done on Trey's truck, and the back, there's no air in it because he doesn't have a compressor, so it's basically laid completely out as far as it'll go right now based on how far it's notched and everything. So he's just rubbing the whole way. We're about to head to a little car meet right now. It's about midnight, and head over there, see some other rides, maybe get some cool shots. And I think we're like, we're ready to just be fuck boys, I guess. There, you put water in, and then you put a pack in there. It's like a Tide Pod.
Did I just see a spark? Yeah,
Yeah.
don't worry about it.
Update. So Trey's truck wouldn't start when we were trying to leave the gas station. And he finally got started, and as soon as he got started, he turned the headlights on and it died. And then the fuel pump relay wouldn't kick on anymore. The fuel pump wouldn't kick on. And then we dicked around with it, messed with some stuff, nothing really changed. Then after about 10 minutes, started again. As soon as he hit the headlights, dead, wouldn't start. Same thing again. 10 minutes later, starts again. Headlights,
Dude, that's why it's called
dead.
S10.
Shut the
Starts every 10
fuck
minutes.
up.
Huh?
Do your It's Fixed dance. So we finally got Trey's truck fixed. Turns out it was just 2 power wires that was going to the alternator that had melted together, and that was actually power feed for the ECM. Right now it's 2:02 in the morning. We got there to that gas station on the way to that meet around 12 or 11:50 or so. So we sat there for 2 hours digging around with it and finally figured it out though. But we're headed home now. Please like, subscribe, check out the merch, check out everything that we got going on. We're trying to grow a lot right now, and we're trying to get more people to see our content. That way we can create better content with fancier stuff in it for you guys. We can't do that if nobody watches. So y'all gotta watch this shit all the way through, and then tell your friends about it. Tell your mom, and tell your uncle, get your dog a phone, and get your dog's phone, and then subscribe. That way we got more subscribers. Make up a bunch of fake emails, subscribe with those. Just like help us out, you know? We out here trying to get it. Mechanic man on the got the SDM truck and a hood on them.
Got the SDM truck and a hood on them.
Got the SDM truck and a hood on them.